Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share some of the interview questions I faced while interviewing at top multinational companies. These questions are specifically related to SQL and data engineering, and I hope they will help you prepare for your own interviews. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 10 interview questions you're likely to face, and most importantly, I'll show you how to start answering them with confidence and clarity to really stand out. Alright, let's get started with question number 1. What are the different types of SQL commands? This question is testing your basic understanding of SQL. You'll want to explain the 5 key categories of SQL commands. DDL, Data Definition Language. Commands like create, alter, drop, used for defining the structure of a database. DML, Data Manipulation Language. Commands like insert, update, delete, used for manipulating the data itself. DQL, Data Query Language. The select command, used for querying data from the database. DCL, Data Control Language. Commands like grant, revoke, used for controlling access to data. TCL, Transaction Control Language. Commands like commit, rollback, used to manage transactions. What are constraints in SQL? Constraints in SQL are rules enforced on the data columns in a table to ensure the integrity and accuracy of the data. Some key constraints include: not null constraint. Ensures that a column cannot have a null value. Unique constraint. Ensures all values in a column are different. Primary key constraint. Uniquely identifies each row in a table. Foreign key constraint. Ensures referential integrity between two tables. Check constraint. Ensures that the values in a column satisfy a specific condition. Make sure to explain how each of these constraints can be used practically in database design. Difference between primary key and foreign key? A primary key is used to uniquely identify records in a table. It cannot contain null values and must be unique. A foreign key, on the other hand, is a field in one table that is a primary key in another, and it's used to establish a relationship between the two tables. A great tip here is to talk about relational databases and why primary and foreign keys are crucial to maintaining data integrity. What is a join in SQL? A join in SQL is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. There are different types of joins. Inner join. Returns records that have matching values in both tables. Left join, or left outer join. Returns all records from the left table and matched records from the right. Right join, or right outer join. Returns all records from the right table and matched records from the left. Full join, or full outer join. Returns all records when there is a match in either table. You can use examples to illustrate how these joins work. Explain the difference between delete, truncate, and drop. These are all used to remove data or structures, but they work differently. Delete. Removes rows from a table based on a condition, can be rolled back, and uses where clause. Truncate. Removes all rows from a table, but keeps the structure intact, faster than delete, and cannot be rolled back. Drop. Completely deletes a table or database, including its structure, and cannot be rolled back. This is a key question to show your understanding of how data is managed at different levels. What is the difference between union and union all? Both are used to combine results from two queries. Union. Combines the result set of two select statements and removes duplicates. Union all. Does the same but does not remove duplicates, making it faster when you don't need duplicate checking. What is a CTE? Common table expression. A CTE is a temporary result set that can be referred to within a select, insert, update, or delete statement. It's defined using the with clause. CTEs are great for improving readability and organization of complex queries. How do you optimize a query in SQL? There are several ways to optimize SQL queries. Use indexes on columns that are frequently queried. Avoid using select star. Specify only the columns you need. Use joins instead of subqueries whenever possible. Minimize the use of cursors. Analyze and tune queries using explain plans. This question is your chance to demonstrate how you write efficient SQL code. Difference between function and stored procedure. Both are blocks of code, but they serve different purposes. A function must return a value and can be used in SQL queries. A stored procedure can return multiple values and perform tasks like modifying data or working with transactions. Stored procedures are more versatile, while functions are more focused on returning single values. Difference between clustered and non-clustered indexes. A clustered index determines the physical order of data in the table and is used for faster retrieval of rows based on the key values. A table can have only one clustered index. A non-clustered index creates a separate object within the table, which points to the original table rows. You can have multiple non-clustered indexes on a table. You can provide an example to make this difference clearer. That's it for today's video on the top 10 SQL interview questions. I hope this helped you feel more confident for your next interview. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on tech interviews and career growth. Let me know in the comments if you've come across any tricky questions or if there's something else you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your interviews. See you in the next video.